just got lost, and because we were playing outside, we lost our dog Manchas. I'm Andrea, and this is Arlene. We don't know where we are exactly, and we have to be really quiet because we might get caught sneaking into other people's backyard or yards because they might be awake by this time, so we have to be quiet.
From some dog
And the grass is like really
bigger.
so, and it's really itchy, and the grass, yeah. So we're gonna find our way. Oh my gosh, look, a door.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Ah. Oh, right.
Really quiet. We don't know what way to go now.
Oh, I think it's that way.
No. We already went in that house. Let's go this way now. Shh. People might be awake by this time, and we don't want to wake them up. We just keep it might get in big trouble.
Yeah. It's gonna cut us.
Let's try to call for our dog. Manchas.
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 And we have to be really quiet calling their name. And we kind of saw a stranger, so we were kind of scared. Let's keep walking. Manchas.
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 I think we can go that way.
Guys, it's kind of dark.
Yeah, this is dark here. We can go that way.
We came from that way.
Let's
Let's
go
keep
that
going
way.
this way.
Okay.
Do you think the home is this way?
No, I think it's that way. This way. I think it's this way.
I think it's this way. Let's go this way.
This way. Oh, come on, guys. Guys, our home that way?
Or is our home that way?
That way.
Want to go in front?
No, let's just go that way. Come on. Come on, guys.
Going over this way.
Scared.
Are you scared? Yeah. It's okay, we're almost home.
Why is that hard? Oh, I want to run. Wait.
What are we? I don't know. I think it's that way. Let's go.
Yeah.
Come on, guys.
So you say, come on, guys.
Come on, guys. Wait, what are you doing? I don't know what to do.
think this is our house. I think so.
I don't think so. I think our house is somewhere around. Let's just knock.
It's your Manchas, no.
Arlene, we should start. Arlene! Arlene! Manchas, how are you waiting home? English.
No, doggy.
Bye guys, thanks for watching. This was just a skit. We made it home, by the way. Manchas was home.
Manchas is home. We've been
This
hunting
was
again.
just a joke. This is fake and all.
We're hunting again.
Comment down below if you thought this was real. How would it be
Yeah.
real if someone was recording and they were
So-
with us? But anyways, bye guys. See you later.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Love you. Bye.
Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on all the notifications
Thumbs.
on
Thumbs up.
so you don't miss any of our notifications. So turn on all the notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. So goodbye.